You're welcome to the concluding part of the punctuations. We'll start with caret. Caret is an editorial mark you use to show that something is missing from the text. It is inserted at the place where a letter, word, phrase, or sentence essential to the text is missing. Example: it has given too much of the Western words inheritance of oratory literacy. Then this is the herald here. Then the corrected fraction is it has given shape to much of the Western words inheritance of oratory and literacy. Capitalization. Capital letters are used by writers to make readers take careful notice of certain words. The first letter of the first word of a sentence is capitalized to alert the reader that is the start of a sentence. It can be used for first words. The first letter of the first word of each sentence that you write should be capitalized. Example: the man is here. The T in the article there is capitalized because it starts a sentence. The man is here. Then B, proper nouns. The first letter of a proper noun is always capitalized. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or things. Adjective formed from proper nouns should also be capitalized. Examples: President Buhari, Ladoke Akintola University of Technology. Proper adjective should also be capitalized. Then you should capitalize your proper adjective. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Examples: Nigerian product, American soldiers. Words showing family relationships. Words showing relations that are used as a title before a name, such as Uncle John, Brother Peter, Auntie Mary, or by themselves as names. Mother, father, sister, aunt, niece are usually capitalized. Underlining and italicization. Italics, types, and underline are used interchangeably. You indicate italics in your written or typed work by underlining. As with capital letters, the use of underline follows certain established guidelines. Underline publications, titles, and names. For instance, books, we have Things Fall Apart. Place, Kogi's Harvest. Italicization. Books, Things Fall Apart. Place, Kogi's Harvest. Nowadays, people do not underline textbooks. They do not underline the headings of a textbook or topics of a textbook. Instead, they put it in italics, as we have above. Things Fall Apart, Kogi's Harvest. This is how far we can go in this section. We hope that you have enjoyed this video. We thank you for listening. We are to see you in the next class. Bye.